session 1. We have a competitor folder which contains the competitor 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 solution. In this session, they have to generate two output files. This 2 CSV file contains the logs of the imported data, so we can compare these files, and it has a copy of the JSON server database, so we copied this here, and the README file contains their how to build the application, how to run it. Our solution, it's here, session 1, with the same names. So the script what will be used can compare these files with the given files. Okay, and just start with competitor 1. First, we have to check solution committed to the Git repository. I think we can give the points because we can download everything, and we can run it. So give not 1 point, 100%. It's not a simple point. We can give, I don't know, 80 if they need some help to do something. Check the README. So here is the competitor 1 README. It's CSV parse script written in Python. Okay, we know the technology. Here is the requirement Python version, how to do the build and how to run. Here is how can we download it from the git clone, install the requirements, and finally run it. I think it's okay, but we are here. What do you think? Can we give the whole points or not? Okay, I think we can. So give them. And now we can run the tester script, and we can add the competitor folder. Currently it's competitor 1, so if we check it here, yes, it's here. The first argument will be the competitor folder, so we have to write this one competitor 1 here and check the result. So as we see, the CSV records one line more than the expected one, but currently we tolerate it, so the score is 100. The others looks good, but not the same record, so maybe something not okay in the CSV format. But if we just count the types, that was totally okay. So the scores, I can write it here. It's but he lose a lot of point here in this case. The next one, we look the database. Yes.
I have a question.
Okay.
もう一回説明をしてほしいんですけど、一番上の CSV レコードが351と350に対して違いがあるのに1っていうのはなぜですか？
So he want to confirm the first one is CSV records, but the number is not the same, but you give the 100%. What's the reason for that?
Because it's a rounding problem. So if we divide 350 with 351, the system can accept. It's just, I think it's 0.3% distance between the the expected solution and the given solution. So if I change the configuration and the tolerance will be less, he will lose points. But currently, in this case, we don't want to punish them very much. So yes, we can, in this case, the system leave all of the points. You will see in the third session, that's a little bit different. There will be more test cases. So every test cases could be 0 or 1. Okay, so check the JSON. It looks like it hasn't got the right numbers. So currently we can give 12% here and 42 here. And the third one, it's 100, 100, 0, 6, 0, and 100, 100, and 31. So in this case, the first competitor collect half of the points. It's 49.48%. It's 12.37 point from the 25. Okay.
Average.
Average? Is that average?
Which one?
D1.
D1? No, it's not average. If you check, it's a sum product, which means the percent is multiplied by the point. So,
Okay.
so for example, if I change it to 50, he has to get 1.5 point more, and it's happened.
I see. Thank you.
Okay, so check the second competitor. Okay. First check the README, sorry. Second competitor. Okay, that's a different one. Okay, here is a example. Okay. Okay. Usage, yes. He created a merge tool, and we have to give these parameters. Yes. Okay. And here is how to build, and he used .NET. Okay. It was uploaded. The README correct. The number of records not the same again, but that's okay. I think they read an extra line. Maybe the CSV has a last enter in the last line, and they didn't drop the last line. Maybe, but currently I don't know what's happened. It's 85, 87, and yes, what we saw with the contracts, he had some problem, so he can't get these points, and in this case he lose these points too. So with the contracts there was some problem. If we want to go deeper, we have to check the codes, but currently we hasn't got enough time to do this. But later, for example, Jonas, I think to you it's important to check what went wrong and where is the problem. Okay, competitor 3, he didn't give a solution, so I just mark it as a red one, so we can check the fourth competitor. Competitor 4. Check the README. Yes, he used Node.js. The command is node import. Yes, and here is a config where are the input and output folder. Okay, check his result. Okay, I know it's happened. There is it's our fault because we copied in a wrong way. It's not a valid JSON. It's not his fault, it was ours when we export the data. So try it again. Yes, we got a better result. Okay, now we have the same. Okay, go back. We have to give these points. I think the README was correct, but I'm curious. What do you think? Is it okay, or would we like to deduct the README points? Jonas, what do you think? Is it enough to you?
Yeah.
Okay. So we can give 4 points here. JSON records, it's just 98, 98. As you see, 5 differences here. So he lose 2% of the points. In here, it's okay, but something with the import, yeah. To the competitors, wasn't totally clear when they have to use imported as active or imported as inactive. So maybe it's the test project problem, but yeah, in this case he collect these points, and in the JSON that's okay, and yes, same params and same records. Yes, so he collect these points. Altogether it's 73%, and we can check the last one. Here is the README. Okay, it's a short README, but it contains the build command and the run command. The others wrote more. He's in the skill 9 we expect a longer documentation. Yeah, I think just for example we can give a small penalty because it hasn't got enough. It's not a big deal, just don't want to give 4 points to everywhere, so maybe 90. Is it okay? Okay, and run the test. It's 100%. Okay, here is the same. It's 100, 100, 0, 22, 0, and yes. Okay, so we got different results. Yeah, and as we see, these two guys was close to each other, but finally the number 5 got more points because here he can achieve a better result. If I change it to the same, he will have a lesser point. Okay, so this is the first session. We can check how many points they have, and here are the points. So as you see, they got this percentage. The total point is 25. So currently they have these points. Okay, and just for an example, because we recorded it, I just want to show if in the tester we, for example, check the last one. So here is a tolerance parameter. So if I set it, for example, 0, and run again to this one, he got 69% of the point, because this is the difference between these two numbers. But if I set it to 0.9, only 10% difference is accepted, and in this case he got 0 point. The value and the expected are the same, but this is where we can parameterize this how we give the point. So I just set it back to the original number, and again it's 0.21. Okay, so we can go to the third session. I stop the recording.